Next, we're going to work on the Archer animation blueprint. So open up Archer-BP, and then here right click, you're going to create a new state machine. Now the state machine is assigning the transitions and the states of movement to the blend space. So create the first one called idle, second one called movement, bring it back there to create two transitions. Now in the idle, select the exact idle you used in the blend space. Now to navigate back, you go to new state machine, go into movement. Now the only orange one is the blend space. We're going to activate the blend space in motion. Now we're going to promote these to a variable. It's going to call it direction, promote again, move it down. It's going to call it speed, compile. Now you'll see you have a transition problem. Now we have to create the transitions. So click the top one, idle to movement. And now what we're going to say is when speed is greater than 10, it's going to transition into movement. Okay? And we're going to make this 10, something low. All right, back to new state machine. And then the other transition, we're going to do the complete opposite, less than 10, so that it'll move from movement back to idle. All right? Make sure these two numbers are both the same, and you're good to go.